ഏവർക്കും കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് എക്സാം വിന്നറിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത ഭാഗത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് KCS ആക്ടിൻ്റെ സെക്ഷൻസും അതിൻ്റെ കണ്ടൻറ്റുമാണ്. സെക്ഷൻ 1 ഷോർട്ട് ടൈറ്റിൽ എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ആൻഡ് കമൻസ്മെൻറ്റ്. സെക്ഷൻ 2 ഡെഫിനേഷൻസ്. സെക്ഷൻ 3 അപ്പോയിൻമെൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് രജിസ്ട്രാർ ഫോർ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സൊസൈറ്റി. സെക്ഷൻ 4 സൊസൈറ്റി വിച്ച് മേ ബി രജിസ്റ്റേർഡ്. Section 5 societies can be registered with a limited liability. Section 6 application for registration of society. Section 7 registration. Section 8 registration certificate. Section 8A affiliation to Apex Society. Section 9 cooperative societies to be body corporate. Section 10 change in the name of society. Section 11 change of liability. Section 12 amendment of bylaws of society. Section 13 when amendment of bylaws came into force. Section 14 amalgamation, transfer of assets and liabilities and division of societies. Section 15 cancellation of registration certificate. Section 16 membership of cooperative society. Section 16A identity card. Section 17 expulsion of members. Section 18 nominal or associate member. Section 19 rights of members. Section 20 oath of members. Section 21 every member have one oath. Section 22 restriction on holding shares. Section 23 transfer of shares. Section 24 withdrawal of shares. Section 25 transfer of interest on death of members. Section 27 final authority in a society, general body. Section 27 subsection 2 representative general body. Section 28A reservation for women members and scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in the committee. Section 28B State Cooperative Election Commission. Section 29 Annual General Body Meeting. Section 30 Special General Body Meeting. Section 32 Supersession of Committee. Section 34 Securing Possession of Records. Section 35 First charge of society on certain assets. Section 36 charge on land owned or held by members. Section 40 exemption from certain taxes, fees and duties. Section 41 exemption from compulsory registration of instruments. Section 44 principal state partnership fund. Section 45 subsidiary state partnership fund. Section 50 disposal of share capital and dividend. Section 56 disposal of net profit. Section 57 investment of fund. Section 58 restriction on borrowings. Section 59 restriction on loans. Section 61 provident fund. Section 62 gratuity. Section 63 Director of Cooperative Audit. Section 64 Scope of Audit, Power of Director of Cooperative Audit and Procedure for Audit. Section 65 Inquiry. Section 66 Supervision and Inspection. Section 66B Suspension of Officers. Section 68 Surcharge. Section 68A Vigilance Officer. Section 69 disputes to be decided by cooperative arbitration court and registrar. Section 70 award on dispute. Section 70A corporate arbitration court. Section 71 winding up of societies. Section 72 appointment of liquidator. Section 73 powers of liquidator. Section 74 cancellation of registration. Section 74A insured cooperative bank. Section 75 Enforcement of charge. Section 76 Execution of order and award. Section 79 Recovery of sum due to government. Section 80B Cooperative Service Examination Board. Section 81 Kerala Cooperative Tribunal. Section 82 Appeals to Tribunal. Section 83 Appeal to other authority. Section 84 Revision by Tribunal. Section 85 Review of order by Tribunal. Section 88 Circle Cooperative Union. Section 89 State Cooperative Union. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പ്രാവശ്യം ചോദിച്ച് കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ള സെക്ഷൻസ് ആണ്. അതുപോലെ ടോട്ടൽ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സെക്ഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 110 ആണ്. താങ്ക് യു.